trick to getting this one flat is an additional piece of steel underneath this clip. Attaches to the frame. Put another spare piece underneath it, and the level is just perfect. Clean up some of these welds. And I've been working on this thing at nights for about a week now. The majority of the welding so far has been interior. These are the toe hookups. So this is my first welding project. I have a Lincoln flux core. It's definitely been a learning process, but the key to this is getting the lines. So it's looking pretty good. Not so much welding. You can just grind that out eventually, so not a big deal. 2006 double cab. I'll do a full walkthrough soon, but it's a home-built camper on the back. It's all aluminum. I riveted all together myself. There is some structural bolts through the bottom topper section. So let's see if we can adjust here. Do a small light. So got just the emergency box, skid plates, just a welding blanket, some cardboard, ratchet, just kind of the simple stuff. So each one of these 3 doors open, and then we have a full 30, I think it's actually 40-inch tall pop-up. I got custom made gas springs, shop in Canada. This is the home-built camper. Completely stock suspension. I know it's been replaced. This thing is at 200,000 miles. I work at it at my little carport at the back of my house. This is simple. Just gain the skills as you go. All right. That's it.